Hello everybody, my name is Albert Corey from Corey & Associates Tax Advisors. One quick note, whoever's watching this, if you could please below put the state that you're watching this from, and if you could share this video and show it to other people who can find out why imagine the 5 things you can do with the extra time and money you can save when you have a bookkeeper. All right, on with the show. Okay, why you need a bookkeeper? Is this how your current booking system makes you feel? Hi, good day everyone. My name is Albert Corey and I'm the Senior Tax Accounting Advisor. Since 1985, I've assisted my accounting clients. Just check Google and Yelp to see that I have multiple 5-star ratings. My mission, should you accept it, is to give you the strategy to give you more time and money freedom. Have you ever wondered, by a show of hands, your company has 0 to 8 employees or contractors? By a show of hands, how would you like to spend more time on your business? Is this how your current bookkeeping system makes you feel? By a show of hands, without worrying about the company's bookkeeping, without worrying about IRS forms. You're about to discover the system used since 1985. You're about to discover changes that you can do without breaking your budget. My promise to you is that you're going to take the first step today in getting your bookkeeping in shape, in getting your business finances in shape. Envision what would you do with the extra money you would save. Imagine what would you do with the time that you've saved. Here is your problem. Your office does not have an accounting strategy. You do not understand accounting, and you don't want to spend the money to improve your accounting system or hire somebody. Why must you have an accounting advisor? Why must you have an accounting strategy? It's your blueprint to increase your company's bottom line. Imagine what you can do with the extra time. The time is now. Why is the time now? You need to work harder, not smarter. You need to know what your cash flow is in every month. Let me give you a good example of this. I have customers who come in. I've been doing this since 1984. I have clients who come into the office, and one of them said, "Hey, Albert, guess what? I had an awesome year. I made $1.5 million. Oh, wow, that's okay. Well, guess what? After I did all the bookkeeping and I gave them an income statement and went over their finance and budgets, they lost $21,000. So it's not how much money you make, guys. It's what's your cash flow at the end of the month. And bookkeepers and accounting advisors will make sure what your income is and how your company's doing. The second thing is they will help you avoid IRS penalties and state penalties. One problem is did you know that if you file your tax return late, they're going to charge you a penalty? If you have a sub-S company, an 1120S tax return, if you file it after March 15th, the government's going to charge you $200 per shareholder. And if you have a corporation, I know in the state of Florida, which I'm the most familiar with, that if you file it before April 28th, it's only $150. After May 1st, it's $400. And we're now recording this in November, that if you try to do the renewal because it's so important to keep that same company in November, it's going to run you about $900. Who am I and why listen to me? I've been an accounting advisor since 1985. I've took care of thousands of business clients and filed over 10,000 corporate tax returns. This is my story. I answered an ad for H&R Block in 1984 to become a tax advisor. In the summer of 1985, I bought a personal computer and started my accounting firm in my bedroom. I put ads in the classified newspapers around Miami to get my clients. And it was, working at night after working H&R Block. And then in 1993, I had enough clients that I opened up my first office, and I'm still there, Coy & Associates Accounting Advisors at 1800 West 68th Street, Suite 118 in Hialeah, Florida. Since then, during the tax season, I have 22 employees. We filed all federal, state, and local returns. We assisted small business with their tax returns, their sales tax, making sure corporations are filed on time, and keeping their bookkeeping straight so they know what their cash flow is in every month. Here are your challenges. Okay, you're wasting time that could be working on your business. Let me give you a good example of this. If you're a baker, okay, you're going to spend more time and make more money in the back in the bakery making awesome cakes, helping your crew out, helping your workers, helping your employees make awesome cakes. Why do you want to be sitting in your office making sure, putting in ledger books or QuickBooks or Excel how much you paid for a Comcast, how much you're paying your bills? Hire a bookkeeper or hire Coy & Associates, and we can do this for you so you can have extra time. Really, is this and most of my clients, when we take over their accounting for their companies, that's basically how they work. They come with boxes and boxes of papers, okay, not filed and not organized. And a bookkeeping or an accounting advisor will make sure all your papers are filed perfect. Okay, and most of the people have the perception that accounting advisors will empty your wallet. Why you need an accounting advisor? My bigger reason. You see here, I'm not here to make you one of my clients. My biggest reason is I want to make sure that all the small businesses of the world do not overpay their taxes. To make sure they got plenty of time to build their business and to have more free time. Because remember, the second dimension of wealth is time of freedom. What's the difference about the accounting advisor system? We make it easy for you because we have all the forms you will never need. We have all the programs we need so you don't have to. Here are the myths. You think you can do it yourself. You think you can hire QuickBooks. You think you can use Excel spreadsheets to make sure everything goes perfect. You have the perception that it's not important to you. A lot of my clients come in after 3 or 4 years of never doing anything because it was never important to them until they had to buy a house or get equipment or do something. That is totally wrong because you're never going to know the cash flow and the profitability of your company. You're short-sighted that will max out your credit cards. Will you be my next success story? Maybe you came because you need a tax advisor. Maybe you came because you don't know how to fill out IRS or tax forms, like sales tax forms, unemployment forms. Okay, accounting advisors. Would it be okay if I shared with the system that made my clients and save my clients millions of dollars? Who is this not for? This is not your magic pill if you don't want to take our advice. You don't care about your business bottom line. Basically, like the story I told you earlier, that you don't want to know whether you're making a profit or loss, so you can adjust, what you're doing, cut back on expenses, and you're too busy to make improvements. Okay, who is this for? This is for rule number 4: work on your business and not on your business, by Michael Gerber, E-Myth Revisited. What that means is that we want you to work on your business, not in the office, not doing QuickBooks, not doing Excel, but whatever your business is in the field, making sure the technical side to get done. You got all your experience in the technical side of making your business run, like mechanics, fixing cars or machines, bakers, lawyers, whatever your business is. You need to be working on your craft and not be working on paperwork. This is also for business owners who want insight on their company. like to know whether you made a profit or loss or how much you need to break even. This is also to figure out how you can avoid late fees. Would it be okay if I show you accounting for everything, Coin Associates Tax Advisors? Watch why Coin Associates Accounting Advisors is your solution for all your accounting needs. Since 1985, we assisted our clients with all their financial needs, everything accounting, taxes, personal, financial statements, small business, bookkeeping, and payroll. We're also here to help you organize and prepare and analyze all your accounts. We will give you a different perspective on your company's financial health. Like we'll prepare income statements and balance sheets so you know where you're at in your company. Okay, you don't have to take my word on it. Okay, you can look on our ratings at Yelp. Our Yelp ratings as of November 6th, we have 25-star reviews. You can go to Yelp, type in Hialeah Tax Accounting, and you can see my ratings. Or you can go to Google, type in Coin Associates, and you'll see my 23 Google star ratings. If all it did was give you a process to give you time freedom, would it be worth it? If all it did was to give you the insight for your company's financial and health, would it be worth it? If all it did was keep you from paying your IRS late bills, would it be worth it? Here is my special bonus to you. Okay, everybody needs to get help from the tax experts or accounting experts. So what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to give you a 30-minute free consultation. That's pretty awesome because normally I get about $300 an hour. I'm willing to give you $150 of my time of consultant to let me ask all your questions to make sure you're on the right track. If you don't want to use us, no problem. I just want to get you on the right track. All you got to do is just drop by our office, 1800 West 68th Street, Suite 118, Hialeah, Florida, 33014. Our phone number is 305-823-9228. You can email me at albert@1040w2.com. You can also go to, we have also a free phone consultation. All you got to do, if you get a piece of paper and pencil, you can write this down. Go to our website, bigirsrefunds.com, and there you'll be able to click and add an appointment, and we'll get you set up. We also have fax and email service. Our email is albert@1040w2.com. Our fax number is 305-390-0941. We did last year over 100 corporations, bookkeeping, and clients who can't come into our office. You pretty much, after the consultation, you can fax or email stuff to our server. It's secure. It has firewalls and everything you need. So your stuff is very safe. So if you could please like and share us. If you're watching this, if you can please put the city and state where you're listening to from, because I want to share everything with people. And also, if you have any tax questions, you can put it on the bottom. Also, if you want, you can also instant message me on Facebook. Just go to Albert Corey and make us friends. And in the message box, put you saw me on the webinar, on the Facebook Live. You heard me on the live broadcast, and I'll get right back to you as soon as possible. Are you worth investing in your company? Of course you are. I know you already realize it's always wise to invest in your business. You're going to be amazed just how using this system should give you more time and money freedom. Thank you. If this is how your current bookkeeping system makes you feel, you can go to bigirsrefund.com. It's at the bottom of the page there, and you can click there, and we could set up your free consultation. It can be done, obviously, be by phone, and you can give me a call anytime. Thank you. Oops.